So here understand property of parallelogram. So in property says after third example we discussed fourth example in one video, that short video. Okay. So now we understand property of parallelogram. So says A and D are supplementary. Since what we do, DC parallel to AB. Okay. DC parallel to AB and with transversal DA and with transversal DA. Okay. So these two angles are interior opposite. These two angles are interior opposite. A and C, B and D. So here angle A and angle B are also supplementary. Angle A and angle B are also supplementary. Why? Angle A and angle B are also supplementary because A is neighbor of B. So angle A and angle B also supplementary. Also supplementary. So what we written here? So angle AD parallel to BC. AD parallel to BC. So here BA is transversal, making AB is anterior opposite. Okay, angle AB is anterior opposite. Interior opposite. Here angle A and angle D and D is anterior opposite. Angle A and B is also interior opposite. So here written property, the adjacent angle in a parallelogram are supplementary. So adjacent angle of in parallelogram is supplementary. Like A is supplementary of B, B angle is supplementary C, C angle is supplementary D. So in property written clearly, property of parallelogram. Well, property says the adjacent in parallel in a parallelogram are supplementary. Understand? Supplementary. Adjacent what say? AB, AD, CD, BC. So that's all angle are adjacent. So we can say that adjacent angle are supplementary. So property says adjacent angle are supplementary. First you written, then you understand. Apply this property on the question. So that's very important property. If you understand, that's very good for you. So now you understand property of parallelogram. So now we understand question number 5th. So what's in question number 5th? Question number 5th says in a parallelogram RING. Okay. First we draw figure, then we understand what say. So one parallelogram RING. So here is RING. So says in a parallelogram like question number 5th example. This is example. So RING is parallelogram. So says कि angle R is equals to 70 degree. So angle R is equals to 70 degree. So what say find? Find all other angle. ING. So find all other angle. Okay. So what we written here in solution? angle R is equals to 70 degree. So by opposite we understand angle N is equals to also 70 degree. So we written here angle R is given that, so 70 degree you can written here given that. So here you can written one sentence also. We know that in parallelogram opposite angle are equal. Opposite angle are equal. So angle R is equals to angle N. So angle N also 70 degree. So from where we find angle N. Angle N is equals to 70 degree. Then what remaining? Angle I and angle G. So angle I is equals to angle I is equals to 180 degree minus 70, because it's a supplementary angle. Angle I and angle is, sorry, R and I are supplementary. You can retain this, or I and N is supplementary. So here we retain one word also. We know that angle R plus angle I is supplementary angle. Supplementary. That means 180 degree. So angle R is 70 degree plus angle I we find here 180 degree. So here we find angle I is equals to 180 minus 70. So here 110 degree. Okay. So from where we find easily angle I is equals to 110 degree. So what we find? Angle G. Angle G is also we can find by supplementary angle G, or we find by opposite. So angle G is opposite of angle I. So we written here angle G is opposite of angle I. So we know that angle I is equals to 110. So angle G is also 110. So angle G is equals to 110. So from where we find a 110 angle G. So we find angle N is 70 degree. By opposite, by supplementary we find angle I. Then by opposite we find angle G is equals to 110 degree. Okay, 110 degree. So you find. First written in copy, then we understand. What's the next property? First here says property, then after reply in question. So now we understand next property. Next property I think says about diagonal of parallelogram. So here written next property is diagonal of a parallelogram. First say diagonal of a parallelogram. Diagonal of a parallelogram. We can written parallelogram in this sign also. That's also true. So diagonals, because there are two diagonal, okay, in parallelogram. So written the diagonal of a parallelogram in general are not of equal length. We know that in parallelogram diagonal are not equal. In rectangle we can say that diagonal are equal, but in parallelogram not equal. So did you check this is in your earlier activity? However, diagonal of a parallelogram have an interesting property. So here written property of diagonal, property of parallelogram of diagonal. So property says the diagonals of a parallelogram, bisect each other. Bisect each other at the point of their intersection of course. At the point of their the point of their intersection of chords. Intersection of chords. So here written one, draw one figure of a parallelogram. So here A, B, C and D. So here draw diagonal. Bisect one point, that is O. Okay. So here written angle 2, 4, 1 and 3. And so both side, this side equal. So it says कि angle triangle AOB, triangle AOB, triangle AOB congruent to, that sign is, we say congruent to angle triangle COD. So triangle COD. Whose rule apply here? So find. So here apply angle side angle. So okay, angle side angle rule apply. So here says this gives AO is equals to OC. That means AO is equals to OC. OB is equals to OD. So here say AO is equals to OC, CO or OC, and BO is equals to OD. Okay, BO is equals to OD. That says in parallelogram. That property is very important. So we can say here AO is equals to OC. AO is equals to OC and OB is equals to OD. So what we written here, now we apply property in next question. So we easily understand AO is equals to OC and OB is equals to OD. Say property parallelogram. So first you written, then we understand what's the question. So question 6 says, in figure HELP, make one figure HELP. Make one figure HELP. So here HELP. Draw diagonals and bisect one point, that is O. So here side given 4. OE side given is 4. Now ask in figure HELP in a parallelogram, given that O is equals to 4 and given that's example number 6 here given in question. So OE is equals to 4 and HL is 5 more than P. HL is 5 more than 5 more than PE. HL is more than 5 more than 5 to PE. So here written we easily HL is equals to 5 plus PE. So find OH. OH find करने के लिए बोला. So OH. Okay. So solution what we written? We know that from previous property OE is equals to OP. So here written you can written we know that from property of parallelogram, from property of, if you written in your in a sentence now, that's its effect on your answer. So from property of parallelogram, OE is equals to OP. So here OE is 4, OP also is 4. So here 4. Okay. So what we written here 4 also. So 4, 4, 8. So here written in question by question HL is equals to 5 plus 4, 4, 8 PE. PE we can say that PE is equals to OE plus OP. So here 5. 5 plus 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. So 5, 8 is equals to 13. So we find easily here HL is equals to 13. 13. So this diagonal is equal to 13. So what ask OH? OH is half of HL. So here written OH is equals to half of HL, because OH is equals to OL. OH is equals to OL. So here HL is equals to 13. If you find OH, that is half of HL. So here written 1 by 2. What distance of HL is 13. So here written 7 point. If we divide 7.5. So 7.5. So here easily we find OH is equals to 7.5. So first written, then we understand exercise question. Example complete. One by one we understand all example. So now we understand exercise. If we understand all example, then it's easy for exercise. Some effort I take. So example is complete here. So what you understand? Exercise. Exercise 3.3. So we understand some question here. Then after this next video we discuss. So exercise is exercise 3.3. So what say? Given a parallelogram ABCD. One parallelogram here is draw ABCD. Okay. So here is ABCD and also draw diagonal whose bisect one point, that is O. So here written, given a parallelogram ABCD, complete each statement with the definition or property used. So here written first is equals to angle AD. Sorry, angle not angle. AD. That means AD is equal to BC. We know that by property AD is equals to opposite side. So BC. AD is equals to BC. So here written how we find A from opposite side. Okay. So in second question says angle DCB. So says ki first you written, then understand what say angle DCB. So here written angle. Yes. So here written angle D. Question is here. So angle D, second it says angle DCB. Equal to angle DCB is equals to angle DAB from opposite angle. Angle DAB. DAB. So here it is from opposite angle. We find angle DCB is equals to DAB from opposite angle. Okay. So third says angle OC. Third says OC is equals to OA. How we find property? Diagonal from property of diagonal from property diagonal of parallelogram. Okay. So third it says angle, fourth it says angle DAB is plus angle CDA. Angle DAB is equals to angle CDA. DAB, then angle CAD. Written You understood? So here says angle DAB is equals to angle C, angle DAB is equals to angle CDA. That's the supplementary angle. So we written here 180 degree. 180 degree because interior opposite angle is angle AB is equals to CD. Okay. So here written we written interior opposite from interior opposite. So from interior opposite. So that's complete our first question solution. Now we understand second question. First you written, then we understand second question. So second question says consider the following parallelogram, find value of unknown x, y and z. So here says given first figure is given A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. So here written x, here written y, z. Given only one angle, that is 100 degree. So find angle x. So given that angle B, so here written we can written given that angle B is equals to 100 degree. Ask x, y and angle z. So what we written here? So we know that by parallelogram angle opposite side are equal. So angle B is equals to angle D. So here written we know that opposite side are equal. Opposite angle are equal. So what we written angle B is equals to angle D, that is 100 degree. So from where we find angle D is angle Y. So angle Y is equals to 100 degree. So now we easily saw here A and B are supplementary. So here written A and B are supplementary angle. So now we know that angle A plus angle B is 180 degree. So angle A is given Z, angle B is given 100. So here 180 degree. So from where we find Z is equals to 80 degree. Okay. So one angle are remaining. So angle X. So we know that here you can retain. We know that angle A opposite to angle C. Angle A opposite to angle C. That is Z. So angle A is equals to angle C. So he written A is equals to Z. So angle C is equals to angle X. Angle X here we find. Sorry, here angle A is equals to angle Z. So angle Z here, angle X here. So Z is equals to here 80 degree. So X is also 80 degree. So X is equals to 80 degree. Okay. So first written, then we understand. then now we understand second question. Last question we discuss here. After this, next video we discuss alpha. So here written angle. Second question is one figure draw. Second by second. Here written one figure draw. Okay. So here written 50 degree y x z. Okay. So here only one figure. You can name given also, but understand like this. Opposite. So given. If you get given name, then you easily understand. So given angle D is 50 degree. So we know that by opposite angle D and angle B is equals to 50 degree. Okay, its solution. So angle B is equals to 50 degree. Now we understand 50 degree. So we know that angle B, angle Z, both are, angle B is 180 degree. So all angle 50 plus Z is equals to 180 degree. So Z is equals to here 180 minus 50. That is 130 degree. Okay. Here is 130 degree. So by congruent, so we find angle Y is equals to angle Z, angle Y also equal to same. So 130 also equal, angle Y is equals to 130 here. Okay. So by opposite we find angle X. So angle X opposite to angle Y. So angle Y is equals to 130 degree. So angle X is equals to angle Y. Both are 130 degree. From where we easily find X is equals to 130 degree. So now we find Z, Y, X. Both angle, whose asked angle are 130 degree. Then written in your copy. Now we understand all question who's remaining in next video. Then if you not understand anything, please comment in my comment box. So I solve your problem. Okay. So thank you for watching.